Hello and welcome guys to AJF Aquatics YouTube. Today we are going to be going over how to mount your driftwood. And I'll show you step by step. Alright guys, so when mounting your driftwood we first start off with a base. I prefer using tile than slate. I find the price to be completely cheaper. These I got here at $1 a square foot, and each one's a square foot. So the method I use with this is I have a piece of foam under when I'm drilling, but right now this is a plain piece of tile. What I first do is I add a few pieces of tape to the tile so that way I'd prevent this from cracking or busting. Now when I'm doing that, I cross place it just for my own personal gain. Then I'll mark the dot right in the middle. These are 9-inch tiles going across, so at 4.5 inches in the middle, I make my mark and then I drill. Alright guys, so when I'm drilling my tiles, I'm using a Carbide drill bit. So this one I already wore out. This was after my third tile. As you can see, nice clean hole, no issue. Drilling does take about 10 to 15 minutes on this tile because, as you can tell, it's a thick tile. This also makes for a great weight when you're doing your new driftwood, so that way it helps sink it to the bottom and helps it during waterlogging. Alright guys, so when I begin to drill, it's going to be a long, slow process. And you just gotta let the bit do its work. Alright. So we've officially made a small hole through. You see? Now let's flip it. And now let's drill from the bottom through so that way I don't chip the last bit of the frame. Alright, so there you have a completed hole through your tile. Easy peasy. And just like that, you have a nice perfect hole through your tile. Alright, after I've made the hole, I place the stainless steel bolt through, and just like that, you've officially now have a fully mounted piece.